Whoa, hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today I go to site and now I'm bringing you the new Huawei Pura80 Ultra. So this is highest spec one from the Huawei Pura80 series. Okay, so this is the device. First, let's check the appearance. So this is the camera zoom compared to the Pura80 Pro Plus. There's a golden ring around the camera lens, and here is the thickness, cover and value button, and also 6.8-inch FHD Plus screen, and it's a curved screen, full display screen, micro curved. Yes. Type-C charge, SIM card slot, and this is the XMAGE powered camera system, called camera system, and the main one is a 50 megapixel, and the second is 50 megapixel telephoto and 40 megapixel wide angle, and also a 5 megapixel red maple original lens. This is the real camera system. Front, okay, 13 megapixel for the screen. At this time, it's a curved screen, 6.8-inch FHD Plus. For the display resolution, we can check the here display. Okay, sorry, and the refresh rate is 120 Hz refresh rate. Dynamic, high, standard refresh rate, and for the display resolution, we go to here. Okay, 2848 by 1260 76, and this time the RAM and ROM 6GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. Okay, HarmonyOS 5.1. Okay, Pura80 Pro Ultra. So this is new HarmonyOS. The screen, very reviewed display performance, and also so it's very thin, and also this time the controls weight at 233.5 gram. And for thickness, it's just 8.3 millimeters. So very nice. And if you hold it for a long time, it's not heavy. And also for battery, this time they provide a 5700 big battery with 100 watt capable fast charging and 80 watt wireless fast charging, and also you support reverse fast charging, 18 watt. Nice. So yes, Kirin, and also I forgot to mention the chips is compared to the Huawei Pura80 Pro Plus. This improved to Kirin 9030, and the Kirin Pura80 Pro Plus is just 90 and 20. So this is another improvement update. Yes, both. Okay, check from different side. And also we can have the camera test, also very powerful this time compared to the Pro Plus. Improved a lot. Portrait, video, promo, macro. Okay, let's go to the normal photo, and here. Okay, normal wide angle 10 times, max spin 100 times too. You can even say the auto drop, and yes, 42. You can see the details of the leaves. have trace. Okay, this is the photo, and also we can go to the front. Okay, from different angle. Now the sunshine is behind me, and take the selfie. Portrait. So if we go to front side, the portrait mode automatically turn on. Okay, behind me is the sunshine. Okay, snapshots, night. For night also have 100 times. Okay, next try to go to the more and to super macro. This is normal. Wide angle for the super macro 40 times. Amazing. Okay, take a close. Very nice. Pro. Okay, also slow motion. Go to test slow motion. Okay. Turn on slow motion. Slow motion also 2 times. But for one time. Okay, now it's the slow motion video. Let's do 2 times. That's more for the phone. And now we can test the motion. Check it. Whoa. Nice. Nice. 2 times. Perfect. Slow motion, time lapse, slow motion, high resolution, aperture. Video. Okay, video test. Okay. Walk around. And we can also running. Okay. Okay, running. Okay, the sky. It's the sky. Sky in the high purity ultra. Wide angle. 2 times. Now, okay, some fish, golden fish in the water. Okay, maximum 20. Okay, so this is the video. Perfect. Okay, short video test. Then back and try the different aperture. This angle. 10. 2. Pro video. For the video mode, we can make sure the rear camera is clean and uncovered. 60 fps, 30 fps. We support a 4K and 1080, also 720, 16 to 9. Beauty mode, portrait, stem draw, night. Okay. So this is the fast, quick hands-on video about the Huawei Pura80Ultra. Nice. Do you like the device? Make a comment and let me know your thought. Bye bye. Okay, now it's the slow motion video. That's cool. That's nice. That's more beautiful. Now we can. Yes.